Assalamu alaikum. Today I am making vegan kebab, which is also gluten free. For this I will use these bell pepper rings to fill the mixture of kebabs. First we need to cut these bell peppers like this. And now I need to cut rings about this size, 1.5 centimeter thick. I cut all the bell peppers, and now we need to cut these bits from the rings so we can fill in the kebab mixture when we will fry them. I will do all the bell pepper rings like this. I cut all the bell peppers and it's nice and clean rings. Now I will start making the mixture. I have got 2 medium potatoes which are peeled and grated. I washed all the vegetables before I start using. A quarter teaspoon cumin seed, quarter teaspoon coriander seed, and quarter teaspoon black pepper powder, half teaspoon red chilli, quarter teaspoon bicarbonate of soda, 1 teaspoon salt, quarter teaspoon ajwain, quarter teaspoon turmeric, coriander, fresh coriander is washed and chopped, 1 tablespoon chopped green chilli, 1 small carrot which I grate, 1 tablespoon ginger which I grate, peeled and grate, and 1 spring onion chopped, 1 medium onion which I chopped. This is chickpea flour which is besan. I sift this flour before I fill the cup. Mix together, and I have 1 cup of water, but I will use little by little to make this mixture, because we do not want this mixture to be too runny or too thick. This is the consistency which we need for the mixture. Now I will switch on the gas. Gas is on. Half cup of oil. And I will place these rings into the pan. Now I will fill this mixture into these rings, and then I will let it cook for 5 minutes, then I will turn it over. I will fill all the rings with the mixture, then I will let it cook for 5 minutes. It's been cooking for 5 minutes. Now we need to turn over the kebabs. Just be careful. You can use your hand or you can use a spoon to help to turn over these. Also, when I was making mixture, I had 1 cup of water, but I did not use all the water. There wasn't any need. I only used, I think, half of it, because the potato was wet, onion, and at the end you need only little water, and you can tell when your mixture is right texture. I turn it over all the kebabs, and now I will wait for 5 minutes to turn it over again, and after that we will check if it's cooked all the way. I turn it over, and now we will check if it's cooked all the way with the knife. Even though I know it's cooked, but if not, then we can give another 2 minutes, or you can keep looking that that your kebab do not burn from the bottom. Just maintain the gas. I cooked on the medium heat, and I think it's ready. Now I can do the next part. Now these kebabs are ready to serve, and one thing I need to say, that always use salt and chili according to your taste, because chili is always optional. You can use black pepper and salt if you do not like chili. Now these kebabs are ready to eat. I hope you will make at your home and you will enjoy my recipe. If you like my recipe, please subscribe my channel. Thank you. Goodbye. Allah Hafiz.